Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Misha here. So let's get started. So this is Code Puppy. So I'm going to be your mentor from now on. So I'll teach you how to make an app. I'll teach you how to make a website. Basically, I'll do what? I'll make a professional web developer or app developer. So if you watch our videos here, we're gonna post video every 3 days. So I'm not every 3 days, like every 3 days in a week. So you can check and you can learn. So let's say like on Wednesday, we'll post website videos. On Thursday, we're gonna post apps video. I'm just saying random times. It can change. We'll let you know when we post the next video and what time it's gonna be, so you can come and watch it. Alright, so just do us a favor, subscribe to our channel so you can make sure you can check next videos. Alright, so let's get started. So today we're gonna make a button on HTML and CSS. The button will actually how we're gonna work. So when you click on it or when you like hover on it, it will change colors. Okay, so this is HTML. So we'll start with HTML. So before you write HTML, you have to write doc type HTML. That's how the computer knows that you're actually writing an HTML file. So you need to let the computer know that you're actually writing HTML code. Okay. So now, okay. So the head. What does the head means? So head is the top of the page. So head is like, like when like it's like a notebook. So the head is for the margin where you write the big title. So we're not gonna use the head at this moment because we don't have, because also, so head also works if you're actually writing this code on a text editor from computer. But since we're using our iPad for to write the code, so we don't really need that. So we're not gonna worry about that. So we're gonna leave it like that. Okay. So then you write what? Then you write body. So what is body? Body is like the content, like a notebook. So after the margin, what we write, that's your body. Okay. So div is like a section. Let's say like you're writing like an essay. Let's say you're writing your name. What's your name? And then write the answer. And then you leave some space. And then you write what's your the answer for the question. Just an example. What's your name? I'm sorry. What's your age? So those space called sections. So you actually divide it by sections. So in order to do that in HTML and CSS, you have to write div. Div, let the computer knows that you're writing in section. Okay. And then image src. So let's say you want to add a picture in it. So what do? You have to put image src. That's the code. That's the code name for the picture. So we're not gonna use the image src at this moment. We're gonna do it on the next video. So don't worry about that. Okay. Now we did what? We did ID. Like, so I'll tell you that I'll show you what it is when we start writing CSS. Okay. So let's just not worry about that. All right. So now we're writing what button. So we're gonna create a button right now. So okay. So did you notice something that like we wrote div 2 times, and on the first one, which is for like the arrow, then div, but at the last when you wrote the div, there's like slash. That means that let the computer know that you actually done with that code. So that's like, as I said, the section, as I said before, that's a section. Just letting the computer know that you're done with the section, you're moving on to the other section. That's how you do. It's okay, no problem. If you don't know, we will teach you, no problem. So just watch our video and you will know what's going on. Okay. So now we're gonna check how does it came out. Okay. So we're gonna go on to run and see, that's your button. Okay. So let's write more. Okay, let's go to CSS. So this is CSS, like, so that's the button. Now you want to decorate it. Like, let's say you have a shop and you like shop, it's like about shop and it's blank. So you need to have like, you want to like fill it with clothes. So that's called decorating. It's the same as CSS. So HTML is the writing and CSS are, okay, let's say another way. So you draw something on a pencil. That's HTML. And then when you color it as however you want to, that's CSS. Okay. So body. As I say, the body is a content in a, like as a notebook. So the body. So let's write the margin. If you know about the notebooks, how notebooks looks, you can tell what's margin, padding. So margin is a straight, padding is you know what I'm saying. Okay. So the background. So let's set a color for the background. So you see what I put, #2626, what it is actually the color. So we can't also say blue and blue, but we also need to let the computer know which color we want in the what color we want actually. So in that case, we put the number code. So that's also a code. I will show you how you can find and how you can find different colors and the color codes on the next video. Okay, so now we come to the main. So okay, did you notice something? That on the body I don't write anything, because body is for the entire page, entire notebook page. Okay, I'm gonna refer this code as a notebook so you can understand it better. Okay, so see that I put dot main dot, I put dot before the main. Why? Because as I said before, section, remember, section, it's also considered as a section. So this part of code will only apply to the main section. Okay, it's not gonna work anywhere else. So you see the width, so we choosing the width, how wider we want, then we choose the position where we want that code, or when we run the code was at the top, so we want it in the middle, so we put absolute. We can put center, but it's better to put absolute. Then we put top 50% and left 50%. Transform, translate, we're gonna talk about that later. Don't worry about that right now, just watch along for a few moments, and then I'll talk back after you watch it. Okay, and if you have a question, if you have any question, just comment down below. Any question you want like to ask us, we can answer them. And yeah, please subscribe to our channel if you really like our content. We really appreciate that. Okay, let's check the code now. Let's see how it looks. You see, it moved from the top to the center. So okay, so I'll stop talking right now, and I'll let you watch the video for a few moments, then I'll start talking back. Okay, thank you. Okay, so in button, why didn't put the dot? Did I? Because the computer knows what the button is, and we could have put the dot button, but the thing is, we only have one button, right? Correct. That's why we only put button, because the computer knows there's only one button, so there's no need to put another, like a dot on before the button. Okay, so now we select the margin, the padding, the background. Okay, let me tell you something. The reason I chose the iPad code editor, because I wanted you to know, because a lot of people who are gonna watch my video, they don't have a computer at home, they don't have access to a computer, so I want them to know. I want to show them that you also can work on your phone. You can actually make a website from your phone. There's a lot of application you can do that, and we're gonna teach you how to make a website here. So we're gonna make you from beginner to professional here. Okay, so as I said, please subscribe to our channel so you can check next videos. When we come up with a new video, you can check it, no problem. And okay, enough talking about that. So let's go to the coding. Okay, so why I put border, because we want that button, which, as I said, coloring an art. So we actually designing the button. So box shadow is the back. You know what the shadow is, okay? Alright. So let's end up talking right now, and I'll let you watch the video. Right. So we're gonna talk. So this is just a video, like a sample video, how a code works and how you can write it. From the next videos, we're gonna actually tell you what does the individual code means. Okay. So this is just a show off, not just a show off. This is just like how a code works, how you can write it, and what's the way to write it. Okay, so don't worry about this. If you want to do it, so you can do it. You can try it at your phone. You can like look at this video, and you can like type it in same as this on your phone, and you can see how it comes out. But make sure when you write a code, don't forget don't forget to make sure to do it 4 times, because if you want the code, okay, let's see now how it looks. See how it changed? Now we have a shadow on the back and white. Okay, we're gonna do more coding right now, but still, as I say, when you write a code, make sure you don't miss a letter, because if you messed up even one word, entire work will be messed up. So make sure when you write code, it's okay to make mistake at first time, but later on in your life, when you are professional, when you become professional from us, we don't want you to mess up the work. Let's say you work for a company and they told you to write like 500 lines of code. You did write, but somehow, somehow, I mean, when you were writing the code, there was a mistake. There was one code, one spelling. You wrote it wrong. For that, you actually messed up the 500 lines of coding. So we don't want you to do that. So we're gonna show you how you can check the work while you're working. Okay. So enough talking right now. I'll let you see the video. And okay, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you really like the video, and if you wanna see more videos. Okay. Actually, we tried to make an animation video. We actually made an animation video. Actually, we means I, but I say we. I like to say we. For some first problems, we can show you the animation video right now. We're gonna show you next time. Okay. So don't worry about this code right now. We're not gonna talk about a lot about this code, but we just wanted to show you. I just wanted to show you how you can write coding. How does that work? As I said before. So one more time, please don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. And thank you. Now we're gonna see how it looks. Okay, it looks the same still. Right, you know what? We're gonna wait. I'll let you see the video, and I won't talk anymore, and just watch the video. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll try to answer it. Thank you. And did you check the pattern? We are using the same color as we did for the background. Alright, some of the codes maybe you guys know, some of the codes that you are maybe never actually have seen before. If you're like, it's your learner, you're learning. So in that case, what you can do, we're gonna teach you actually, so you don't have to really worry about that. Just look out for that video when we actually talk about the specific code of what you're like actually like what you don't actually know. We're gonna talk about every specific code in our future videos. So make sure you watch that. So in order to watch that, don't forget to subscribe to us. We love your support. Okay, now let's check. Let's see. Okay, sorry about the text up there. Alright. Let's see what happens. I'll not talk right now. Okay. Let's watch the video. And animation videos coming soon for the codings. So you'll love the animation video. And one more time, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. And yes, one more thing. Actually, I discussed with myself that, as I mentioned, let's see the code first. Then we're gonna talk again. Okay, it's the same still. Okay. Alright. So I'm thinking to post graphic designing videos as well, if you guys really want to. Now at this point, when I see good views, good subscribers, good support from you guys, I'll post graphic designing videos. So actually, this is basically gonna be your all-in-one IT tutorial class school, or you can say school. So you can, from here you can become a graphic designer, you can become app developer, you can become iOS developer. App developer, it can differ. It can be like an iOS developer, where you're gonna make apps for iPhone, and Android developer, where you're gonna make apps for Android. I know most of it like want to actually make an app for Apple iPhone, but the thing is, in order to make an app for them, even though if you know the language, you need to have a MacBook Pro because they don't want you to see, they don't want you to write code on a Microsoft. Although you can, we actually gonna show you. You can personally text us. You can comment us that how I can actually download Xcode on a Windows. So it's gonna show you that. All right. Basically, this is gonna be everything. Okay. So I'm talking a little low because this is the first video. So I I, I was to make it better, but I just wanted to show you the code. I just wanted to start it as soon as possible. Okay. So don't mind how I'm talking right now. If you love the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Alright, thank you. So let's just watch.